Welcome to Naomi's Filipino kitchen, where my aim is to bring the taste of the Philippines to the West. Today, I'm going to cook one of Filipinos' favorite, pork adobo. Here is the ingredients of today's dish. 1 kilo pork belly, 2 onions, 150 ml of 7-Up or lemonade, 3 cloves of garlic, 120 ml of soy sauce, and 100 grams of brown sugar. This is very easy dish to cook. Just simply put all the ingredients in one pot and let the ingredients do all the magic. This is now on the heat and we've added an extra 150 ml of lemonade. Let's cover it and let it simmer. After an hour and a half of cooking on a low heat, the liquid have reduced down to a lovely sweet sticky sauce. It is now ready to serve with rice and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Please subscribe to our channel. More recipe to follow. Paalam! Bye!